Here we are at Kimpton Charlotte Square in room 101 from our lovely preferred partners. So you come into this view, there's a divider wall here. Walk on in. Got a lovely fireplace, giant television, huge vaulted ceilings, gorgeous king-size bed, sofa, seating area. And then we'll go to the bathroom storage and finish with the view. So here's some storage. This is just your standard closet, open wardrobe. This one has your nice full tea set, safe, bath mat, slippers and robes, umbrella necessary for Edinburgh, especially recently, a yoga mat, ironing board, all very lovely. Great amenities, nice appointments. We have a small coffee maker here, the Krups machine. Now let's check out this bathroom. Absolutely gorgeous bathroom, huge tub with shower there. Obviously toilet, sink, towel warmer. And then in addition to that tub, we have a freestanding shower as well. So you have two options of showers in this bathroom. Absolutely gorgeous. And then last, the view is over Charlotte Square. So just down that way, two doors down is where one of the prime ministers lives. So absolutely gorgeous room here at Kimpton Charlotte Square. Looking forward to showing you guys more of Edinburgh soon. TTFN from Edinburgh.